The material is loaded to the silo by the loader. The material is fed into carbonization reactor. The screw feeder sends the material into the inner cylinder of the carbonization reactor. It takes around 15 to 20 minutes from raw material to charcoal. The material falls from the inner cylinder of the carbonization reactor into the outer cylinder. And then discharged safely by water cooling screw auto discharger. The final charcoal temperature is about 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. There is syngas generated during biomass processing. The syngas is delivered to cyclone dedusting system to remove heavy particles, and then the syngas will be cleaned by the hydro seal. Finally, syngas is recycled to heat carbonization furnace. The excess syngas will be burned in the exhaust gas burning chamber. The hot smoke from the reactor enters the cyclone dust collector to be purified. Then the hot smoke passes through the air heat exchanger. Then goes into the flue condenser. Finally, is sucked into the dedusting tower by the exhaust-induced draft fan. And then to be cleaned by the cyclone, dedusting water spray, ceramic ring absorption, and the defogging plate.